call me Cash Money Records because I'm gonna wear it. Okay, juvenile that. Yes, yes. So today we have a little bit of a treat. We are doing an unboxing. This is the Rowan Large Satchel, and I can't wait to see it. I am opening it up with you guys. All I did was I took off this tape here. Other than that, we are ready to go. So let's see what it looks like. Again, this is the Rowan Large Satchel by Coach. Coach said, don't call it a comeback. I'm still around. I'm still luxury. Period. Now, ooh, this is large. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Let me move this out the way. Okay. Okay, Coach. I got it in black because I'm looking for an everyday bag. Okay. I'm going to show y'all the bag that I've been carrying every day. And when I tell you, I have worn her down to the ground. She's in the dirt. Okay. It's terrible. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is my first time seeing the bag in person. I got my mic on, so I'm hoping that it's not too distracting. Oh, my goodness. This is pretty. Oh, man. Oh, Coach. You got it wrapped up, don't you? This is beautiful. So it is black leather. It has the gold hardware. Ooh. This is yummy. So beautiful. I don't know if I want to edit these parts out because it's like a lot of wrapping on this bag. It's going to take me forever. How do y'all feel about Coach bags? I know how I feel about them. As you can see, I bought it. Beautiful. I love a good bag, honey. I love a good satchel. This is Satchel September, right? So I'm still within my right to post this. She is pretty, and she is much bigger than I thought she was. Okay? Coach said this is the big one, not the little one. Don't play with Coach. I bought this bag on sale. The bag, I believe, was on sale for $179. Then I got 20 off of 150, 20 off of anything over 150. So with tax and delivery, this bag came to $169. Okay, with everything, and it came in a timely manner. It says 5 to 7 business days. You get it in 5. It might have been less than that. I felt like it came right away. So kudos to Coach for that, because sometimes, you know, these people have you waiting forever for your bag. Okay. But I will say this bag is large. The gold hardware is absolutely beautiful. It doesn't look like that hardware that will turn. Okay. I'm going to show you guys the inside of the bag so you guys can see how large it is. I don't know the dimensions. I am going to include a link to this bag in the description box so you guys can easily access it. If you guys are looking to purchase this bag, I think what I really want to do is I really want to go to the Coach store and get the charms, because the girls have been killing it with the Coach charms. I don't know if you guys have seen any of them. That apple, the C, absolutely beautiful. Okay. Like I said, it's black. The hardware is gold. It has this convenient zipper on the back, which I absolutely love because I love to be able to access my cell phone easily. Okay. And this is where she's going. She's going back here. It's a zipper. Very nice. Let's look and see what's inside. Coach, like y'all pack this bag to the guys, okay? I mean, I appreciate it, you know. Let me hurry up. Baby, we'll be here all day unpacking. Really? Okay. What else we got going on in here? Ooh. Take this off. Okay. All right. Ooh, very cute. Very, very cute. Okay. Mm-hmm. Look, I'm a pack rat. What is this? I'm probably gonna save this. I hate that about me. What am I saving this for? What? But there's a QR code on here. I don't know what that's about, but we're gonna look at it later, okay? So we're not gonna throw that out. All right. But the inside of the bag, I'm gonna have to do a close-up on it so you guys can see. The inside of this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I want to say it's like a brown reddish color. Wow. Very nice. It says Coach on the inside. It has a slip pocket with a button enclosure. It also has a zipper, which I love, so that I can separate and organize the stuff in my bag. And I'm actually going to do that with you guys. I'm going to transfer the stuff from my old bag into this new bag, and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, we're going to see if she is the same size as the bag that I've been running into the ground. So let me go ahead and show y'all the inside of this bag. Okay, guys, I promised that I was going to show you guys the inside of this bag. This is an up close of this bag. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And I didn't even notice. It has like some type of crystal inside of this, of the wheels. Oh, wow. I just love this. I really do. So let's look at the inside of the bag, okay? Like I said, it has a zipper enclosure. Okay, this is where you can put, whatever it is that you want to put in your bag. You know, us girls, we put a lot of nonsense in our bag, but a lot of times we like to organize our bags so that we can easily access things. And that's why I love this zipper here in the back. But again, there is a zipper here. Then there is a slip pocket here that has a button enclosure. You see this, it's like a brown reddish color, but it's absolutely gorgeous. This is just a gorgeous bag, and it is affordable. That's what I love about it most. It's affordable. Okay. Okay, girls. So we are going to get we're going to get up close and personal. We are going to look at this other bag that okay, so I've been carrying this bag, running her into the ground. Okay. Now, it looks a tad, no, I would say it's about the same size. I would say so. Um, and when I tell you that I've been running this bag in the ground, and I don't have a link for this bag, okay? I'm just letting y'all know, look, this is what I'm talking about. I bought this bag from Menlo Park Mall. It's a little boutique in the corner. If you're from Jersey, you know all about Menlo Park Mall. I don't remember the name of it, but I absolutely love this purse. Okay, love it. So we are going to see what all can fit in here. All right. When I tell you, like, I carry the world in my purse, I can't be the only one. The world. Because sometimes I'm like, what do I need all this stuff for? Now, I'm just going to take out the essentials because I just want to see, Now, and that bag came with a matching wallet. And I think it was like $79. I hope that this bag doesn't steal the show because we're talking about the Coach Rowan, okay? But when I tell you I get compliments about that bag everywhere I go. Everywhere I go, they ask me, where you get that bag from? Okay. So I don't know if I'm going to use this wallet. I've been eyeing the wallets on the Coach website. I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a big difference between the Coach a boutique store, and then there's a in the Coach outlet. Okay, so this I believe came from Coach outlet. But the boutique stores, they have some red wallets that I really want. So I just, because I do need a pop of color at times, so I'm definitely going to go back and get that. But we're going to put this wallet in here for the sake of the video. I don't know what y'all carry in your purses, but a girl loves having a body spray, perfume. Kayali, if you watch my other videos, you know I am absolutely obsessed anything Kayali. This is the Vanilla 28, okay? And I want to say something about this Sol de Janeiro. This is a body spray. There was a post on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram down below so that we can connect on Instagram. But there was a post on Instagram where somebody said something about women who wear this, okay? And it was some comments below. Some of the comments under that picture were saying that this is for little girls. It's juvenile. One thing about it, I'm going to wear my Sol de Janeiro. Okay. I'm going to layer it. Okay. There is nothing juvenile about this, in my opinion. Call me Cash Money Records because I'm going to wear it. Okay. Juvenile that. Yes. Yes, ma'am. We're going to wear our stuff. Don't let nobody tell y'all what y'all can and cannot wear. I know we're all allowed our opinions, but don't let people make you feel bad for doing the things that you want to do. You want to buy a Coach bag? Buy it. You want to buy a Louis? Buy it. YSL? Buy it. Do what you want to do. Treat yourself however you see fit, okay? Because one thing I've learned as I've gotten older is luxury is subjective, okay? You better believe it. We're going to put all this crap in here. Now, I got all my nonsense in here. There is more than enough space for me to add more nonsense. Okay, babes, so that concludes my first unboxing. I will be doing another one next week. I don't think I introduced myself at the beginning of this video. I just started chatting. But if you are new here, my name is Tasia Nicole. If I am your vibe, if the unboxing, if my vlogs are your type of vibe, please consider subscribing, liking this video. Leave me some of your opinions and comments below. I would love to hear them. I will be having another unboxing next week. I have a Kurt Geiger bag coming and I want to open it with you guys. So again, if you've made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys watching and I will see you on the next one. Again, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the vibes.